Ugh, it's exam day again? Luckily, I came prepared. Hello, cheat sheet! With careful planning, sneaking your phone into class doesn't have to be that hard. And a little creativity goes a long way. And if you're really sneaky, you can take things to a new level. What was that? No phones allowed, remember? Alright, the silverware is perfect. Now for my lunch. Hey, is it okay if I sit there? Do what you want. I love fries so much! They're my favorite! Ugh, ridiculous. I have to take enough photos for my Insta. Whoa, smart! I should do that too! Oh, right. I have a janky old phone. Guess I'll just eat my food instead of photographing it. Ugh. Just need to get this angle. Ugh. It's not working. It's no use. Hey, do you think you could help me? Me? Sure thing! I'm happy to help. Let me just grab your phone. Just trying not to get grease on your screen. Oh, I dropped it! No! I caught it! Oh my gosh, that was a close one! Phew! She didn't even notice. Huh. There's a spider right there. I think I have an idea! I'm gonna need a phone, a 3D pen, and a regular marker. I'll start by making loops around the marker with the 3D pen. Then I'll slide the loops off. Good. Now for the 3D pen again. I'll draw a line to this corner. And now to draw more, like a spider web. All while keeping the loops vertical. Excellent. Now for some more lines for decoration. This is gonna be a great-looking spider web. Done! Spiders are amazing, and so am I! Ooh, let's do some on the edge, too. Now for some glitter! You can never go wrong with some added sparkle. It's done! The loops work like a ring. Now I don't have to worry about dropping her phone again. Ooh, these are great pictures! Okay, I'll take my phone back now. What did you do to it? Huh. I kinda like it. Thanks. You're alright. You're welcome! This lunch turned out to be a lot of fun!
Oh man, is it morning already? My skin looks good in the morning. Gotta love morning photo shoots. Time to start the day. Whoa, that's a lot of Kevin. Something's poking me. Oh, it's just me. And my guns. Gotta love it. Gotta do one last outfit check. I almost forgot. My good luck picture. Can't leave home without it. The back pocket? Oh, what a conundrum. I know! Bingo! Have a clear phone case, take the picture you want to use, and put it face down on it. Once you've run an iron over it, leave the paper there and submerge it in shallow water. Make sure it's totally covered and wait for a good 20 minutes. When it's out, rub the paper a bit and watch your print come to life. Isn't this the coolest? Who wouldn't want their own Kevin case? Or maybe something slightly different. We'll meet at the basketball court? Oh, hey there, handsome. Oh, yeah, I'm listening.
Okay, today I'm going to mix things up a bit. Put your books away. They're boring. You're telling me. Instead, we'll have a surprise chemistry exam. Pretty cool, huh? You'll enjoy it. No, we won't. What's going on? You always ruin my fun. Who cares? I'm in charge. It's exam time. This is so weird. Let's humor her. And remember, no cheating. I mean it. We're gonna fail anyway, so what does it matter? Let's get it over with. I'm watching you like a hawk. Like a hawk. This is bad. Look at these questions. Wait. What are you doing? I don't like the look of this. Let me see that. I said no cheating. Yeah, whatever. I'll keep these right where I can see them. Okay, now I'm panicking. I need to be quick. It's a cruel, cruel world. Wow, this light is so pretty. Aw, it went away. Hey, Emily, is that a photo? Hand it over! I'm disappointed in you! You can get it back after class. You kids and your phones. I don't get it. Ugh! I almost had the answers! Now what am I gonna do? I need to think. Wait, maybe I can use this eraser. I have a great idea. I might be able to pass after all. Miss? I need to use the restroom, please? Okay, but no number 2s. Okay. Time to get to work. All I need is the eraser and a knife. I'll cut the eraser in half. Then I'll place a strip of sticky paper over the 2 pieces. Now I can write the answers on it. I need to write small. I want to get them all in. Then I'll fold the eraser over. Now I can go back to class. Let's try this again. Just be cool. Why are you acting so cool? Check this out. I have all the answers. And the teacher doesn't suspect a thing. Do I need to buy tomatoes? Yeah. Wow, that's great! Emily, what are you doing? Are you cheating? What? No, I wouldn't dream of it. It's just my eraser. See? No cheating here. And can I just say, great exam. I think she bought it. It is a great exam. Thanks. And I'm done. I'm totally getting an A. And I'm getting that eraser. Come to me, my pretty. You're mine. All mine. What the? Does she have a lock on it or something? I'm so confused right now. I give up. She thinks she's so smart with her fancy erasers. Good luck. I'm out of here. It's been a slow day so far. Ahem. I'm here for cut and style. Oh yes. I'm happy to help you. Please take a seat over here. Thank you. I will. How's the weather outside? Is it still hot? Okay. Now how can I help you today? I just need a little off the ends. Remove the split ends and lift it up a bit. Of course, of course. I can definitely do that for you. I'll just need to adjust your chair. A little more. Just some more. A bit more. Alright, I'm ready to get started. You have beautiful hair. I can tell you take good care of it. I seem to have encountered a snarl. What's going on back there? Why did you stop? No worries. Don't worry at all. Everything is under control. Oh my gosh. The dome totally broke in half!
What's with that look on your face?
Oh, it's nothing. Just a little gas. What am I gonna do? That was my best comb! Wait! Of course! My trusty 3D pen! That'll fix my problem! I've got a picture of a comb, so now I just need to trace it. I'll just fill it in with my favorite pink 3D ink. Okay, this is working well so far. There we go. The front half of the comb. And now to start with the handle. I'll use this pretty light green. It's such a pretty color. I don't get to use it that much. And since I'm making a new comb, I might as well make it prettier too. When I'm done with this part, I'll make some flowers too. Okay, almost done. And voila! A new comb. Oh, she fell asleep. Guess I better hurry up and finish. Back to combing her hair.
Oh, sorry. I must have dozed off there for a moment.